He spent 4 decades at Yorkshire's Look North news programme from 1982 up until his final show in 2020. The late journalist's widow Helen was pictured alongside the pallbearers carrying the coffin ahead of the service this morning. Many famous faces and fans alike joined together to pay their respects to Harry in Yorkshire this morning. Journalists including Christine Talbot and Krista Ackroyd and retired cricket stars Geoffrey Boycott and Dickie Bird were in attendance for the event. Fans lined the streets to pay tribute to the star, while the former Archbishop of York John Sentamu gave an address at the service.